Apple has just raised the bar again. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is here. And it's not just another smartwatch. It's brighter, faster, tougher, and smarter than anything we've seen before. But with a premium price tag, is it truly the ultimate smartwatch of 2025? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know if the Ultra 2 is worth your money. Let's start with design. At first glance, it looks like the original Ultra. Rugged titanium frame, bold 49mm case, and that big digital crown. At first glance, it looks like the original Ultra. Rugged titanium frame, bold 49mm case, and that big digital crown. But here's the upgrade. The Ultra 2 now has a brighter Retina display, minus 3000 nits of brightness. That's nearly double most smartwatches out there. Imagine running on a sunny trail, skiing on a bright slope, or diving into the ocean. This screen stays crystal clear no matter what. And Apple didn't just make it brighter, they made it smarter too, with a new modular face that shows more real-time data for athletes and adventurers. Now, under the hood, it's powered by the new S9 SiP chip. This is Apple's fastest smartwatch processor ever. It's not just about speed, it's about what it unlocks. The Ultra 2 supports on-device Siri, so you can ask questions or start a workout without relying on your iPhone. That means quicker responses even in the middle of the mountains or when your phone isn't nearby. Everyday tasks feel smoother, apps open faster, and animations are fluid. It's like jumping from a sports car to a supercar. You feel the difference instantly. Of course, no Apple Watch review is complete without talking health tracking, and this is where the Ultra 2 really shines. You've got precision dual-frequency GPS for more accurate route tracking, even in dense cities or forest trails. Heart rate monitoring is faster. Blood oxygen and sleep tracking are more accurate. And it even gives you detailed workout insights, whether you're cycling, hiking, or running marathons. Apple clearly designed this for serious athletes, but even casual fitness lovers will benefit from the improved sensors. Precision dual-frequency GPS for more accurate route tracking, even in dense cities or forest trails. You get stronger route fidelity and fewer dropped waypoints. Detailed workout insights help you train smarter, not just harder. Now let's talk toughness. This isn't a watch you'll baby, it's built for the wild. The Ultra 2 has 100-meter water resistance, EN 13319 certification for diving, and military-grade durability. Think mountain climbing, scuba diving, or desert heat. This watch can handle it. And with customizable watch faces, you can see the metrics that matter most: depth when you're diving, altitude when you're climbing, or compass navigation when you're off the beaten path. It's not just a watch, it's like carrying a survival tool on your wrist. One of the biggest frustrations with smartwatches is charging them daily. The Ultra 2 fixes that with 36 hours of normal use, and if you switch to low power mode, you can push it to 72 hours. That's 3 full days without worrying about your charger. For adventurers or travelers, this is a game changer. And then there's the feature that has everyone talking: double tap gestures. You don't even need to touch the screen. Just pinch your fingers twice and you can answer a call, stop a timer, or control your music. It feels futuristic, almost like something out of a sci-fi movie. Combine that with watchOS 10's redesigned apps, cycling power metrics, and enhanced smart home integration. You've got Apple's smartest and most advanced watch yet. So, is the Apple Watch Ultra 2 the best smartwatch of 2025? Honestly, it's hard to argue against it. With a brighter display, powerful new chip, extreme durability, advanced health tracking, and those futuristic new gestures, it's a beast. But here's the real question: is it worth the upgrade from the first Ultra? If you're a hardcore adventurer, an athlete, or someone who just wants the very best smartwatch, absolutely. For everyone else, the standard Apple Watch might still be enough. What do you think? Is the Ultra 2 worth the price, or is it just overkill? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love honest tech reviews that actually help you decide, don't forget to hit subscribe and stay tuned for our next breakdown of the latest gadgets.